welcome to the mix, lovelies and friends. And on the mix, we have Tina. And Tina is leaving no stones unturned as she came out for Noel and Kris. She's saying that Noel, she had blocked him because she saw hypocrisy. She saw that there was something in the pipeline coming, such as betrayal. And when she sees those things, she is going to act on that. And she is going all out because she says that he has been harassing her, trying to have her to basically lose the roof over her head, getting people to call her landlord, basically to try to get her evicted, and among other things. And when you see Tina like this, because she's expressing herself in a way where you don't normally see Tina, and she's using explicit words as well, because she's really highly upset about the situation that is transpiring. So go ahead and go catch the video, and remember to like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so when I post, you know about it. For all my lovelies out there celebrating your wonderful birthdays today, happy birthday! And I wish you prosperity and all that your heart desires today. And for all my other lovelies, my followers, my supporters, my subscribers, and my friends, have yourselves a beautiful one now.
Come back on social media and continue them life. Continue them life like nothing happened. You dirty piece of shit, you. You drunk crier. And I'm telling you, Kris, you have an enemy for life. You have an enemy for life. And anything I say, I mean it. Because I'm a very nice person. You have an enemy for life. Noel Cunningham, you have an enemy for life. For life. Who is a set of evil, tormented, dirty, dragged up, mentally unstable, no morals, no values, no heart, no compassion, just craving for money on social media. And the two on a blood clot dirty males who have an enemy for life. Me, this woman right here. But now I ask Christ. It's like how them stop you at the airport, pussy wall, the other day. Them fling in a secondary, more secondary and triple or whatever, quadruple that they for come, pussy wall. You think a secondary, them got blood clot put you in again? Watch me on your blood clot when you go through immigration, yeah? Don't fuck with me. You think a secondary, you gotta go back in again? Eh? You wicked son of a bitch, yo. But to not try get me evicted for what? Because I'm a better cakes than you. Because I'm a black, yo. I block you from 2021. Move the fuck on with your life. You get blocked. Move on. You got blocked. Okay, move on with your life. What the hell? No, not you. Not you, nor Noel, because that's what I did to Noel too. I blocked him too. Not you or Noel who can't take rejection. No, that's not what y'all did. Y'all didn't just move on within a life. No. You have to think up, you have to plot and plan up ways to get back at me, because when the ego was bruised, like I blocked you. So when the ego bruised. So what the two of do? Two of you males did? Wanna come together and say, alright, she black we, make we cyberbully her for a long time. We're gonna cyberbully her. We're gonna harass her. We're gonna pay people to make telephone calls about her because I blocked the both of you. You two bitchy ass motherfuckers. That's all I did. I blocked you, Noel. And just like I'm a block Kris, I'm a block Noel. So the two of them start work together now. Two of them start work together. Because I'm a block the two. That's how I'm gonna block them. I'll move on with my life. Cause I'm at an age where when I smell hypocrisy, when I smell betrayal, me run. Me run like blood clot teeth when me smell betrayal. Because I refuse to go through that again in my life. I went through that back in 2011. And I wasn't going to do it again. Because I saw what betrayal did to my life. And I didn't want to go through it again. So I'm just kind of trained for be like that. Because you see, when me, the authenticity, the real me that I give to people, I'm waiting for, I want it in return. You don't need to be two-faced with me. You don't need to do all of that. If you're not pleased with something, just tell me you're not fucking pleased. That's fine. And I'll fix it. You don't need to be running behind my back and no, just come to me. I always tell you guys that. Come to me. I might shut down for a couple of days until I get back to my senses and I understand and I move on. But the fact that these two males would come together because I blocked them to try to tear me down even more, to take the roof, the friggin' roof that's over my head, them want me there road. I only not think that me have reasons for be upset. I have a lot of reasons. Not just that, they targeted my children. The two pussy hole them, Noel and Kris, targeted my children. I only go like seminar have a reason. And to all dirty blood clot bloggers out there. All nasty dirty female bloggers where I back them. All a set of drunk. All a set of bitches. On a female bloggers, where I back them two look dirty nasty man ya. On a drunk. I mean I say that with everything in my chest. Because you don't know me from nowhere either, but you take up them battles. You don't know me from nowhere, me not do nothing, but you just take up them battles. I help them two dirty man ya. Eh? But tell you already, you know, and enough time I talk for ya, you know. Enough time I talk for ya. New York is a big city. There are a lot of events taking place. Don't make me buck none of them. That's all me I say. And if you don't see me first in the event, leave. Leave if you don't see me first. Don't try nothing. You hear me say? Don't try nothing if you don't see me at the event. Because the anger when I'm having on me not think social media are speaking out, I go calm it. Because you see, if it was just social media bantering, where people are cussing, I could deal with that, no issues. People cuss every day. Right? People cuss every day. But the fact that these people step out of social media and I try destroy my life outside of social media, no, now the game get more serious. Because when you step out of all the madness for come fuck with me outside of social media, now it gone up. So you, Kris blood clot Terriano, and a secondary check them I gonna put you in immigration again when you come through. Because I'm telling you have earned yourself an enemy. Because of what you did to my children and what you did to me. You have earned yourself an enemy. You understand? Because it was not necessary. It wasn't necessary. I'm gonna take back my chat. It was not necessary what y'all did. Wanna just do it because on a blood cleat evil bad mind. Me hear on a sister talk about people bad mind. Dirty stinking Donegal. So you're surrounded by bad mind, eh? See, you're surrounded, you talk about people, blood clot, stagnant. See, you're surrounded by stagnancy there. Come talk to me nice, bitch. See, you're surrounded by stagnancy there. It's a quiet bitch, you big boulder, big back, ape-looking drunk crop. See, you're surrounded by it there. You not say nothing. Why? Because Kris fix your account for you. Kris fix your social media account for you. Saying you don't have nothing to say. You and him talk behind closed doors, dog. You calm him out. We had to pray for him behind closed doors, bitch. You hungry melly grass might you? Is that what you do? The two who talk behind closed doors saying I have nothing to say? Eh? Why him fix your social media account so you don't need to come out and say nothing? In your blood, this is your fight too, in a bitch. Come out and defend him, man. The whole lot of blood clot, dirty, stinking bloggers out there. Eh? We come out and spread our sort of propaganda upon me and all and fuck with it. Anything what the dirty Kris say and dirty Noel so no come out and spread it. So, no, come out and talk now, man. Come out and defend him. Why, are you afraid? You hear say him a rat out from inside. When you hear say him have a bag of false teeth in his mouth. I must have 3 teeth in his mouth real. Come out and say something. Come out. One of them. Come out. Wherever you are. Come out, man. Where the blood clot on there. One of them. All is a quiet. Too quiet, man. You can't hear a pin drop. What's happening? I mean, you don't have strength for. Come, Donna. Come do your idiot dance. Come try your word and do your idiot dance. Come. You know gonna do you not thump the sky? You know do your robot dance? Come. And bad mind. And bad mind. And everybody bad mind me. And then bad mind me. And grey back woman bad mind me. And bad mind. Come thump the blood clot sky and answer this. Come out and defend it. I mean, you have strength for. I mean, you have blood clot strength for. Come on. How come all of a sudden now everybody wants to be the bigger person and everybody evolve and God is good? Everybody said decent. Big pussy Ashanti. Let me blood clot tell you this. Me hear you over there run off your stinking mouth about me pussy wall. Yeah? Me have a recording with you. I tell the people them say Kris shouldn't do and do and blah blah blah. So how come now you change your word now? Big pussy Ashanti. Why? Kris grind you off when him did out in Florida the other day. I know you love man in a pussy wall. Kris grind you off the other day, so now you come and talk like say. You come and talk like say. Yeah, I'm advocate. Remember now you call him cake, them do the cake. And you say him and him husband, they dip on the cake table a grind. And nobody must buy no cake from him. You remember Ashanti? You remember you call him cake, do the cake? Remember you cuss him off for me? Remember you tell him say him F up because him should not do them things, him should not disrespect me. You want me run the recording? Where you sit down there tell him say about why him did that? He shouldn't have blocked the lady, he shouldn't disrespect me. Why is he disrespecting Tina Chen? Why is he disrespecting Tina Chen? So all of a sudden your mouth switch. You see that's why we can't follow them bloggers here. We can't follow them. Them just move with the wind. Them just move with the wind. Big pussy Ashanti, are you me attack? Half the drunk Ashanti. Yo, when I'm up with from pillar to blood clot post, are you me attack? Yeah, yo. So how come all of a sudden now your mouth change? You turn Kris advocate. Him grind you off in Florida. Oh, okay. And you want to come on social media, come talk. You want to come talk? I try to tear me down now. After you tear him down, you cuss him for the right reasons. You're cussing for the right reasons, but just because Dana go pay you some money and give you a little highlight, eh? You're turning a blood clot idiot and want to come disrespect me. Because Dana go give you a little hype. You forget yourself, you forget your belief, you forget what you see. That's why we can't stand, we don't know. Because you don't fake like Kris and them fake money. We don't pose with people money. I true me not post money on social media, but me not post with people money. Me not pose with people money, idiot boy. It's like how Kris pick up your money and I come and talk about, give me your money, man, I'm gonna put it up there. Give me, take care of money. We don't do those things over here. Who are the one with money now? On the field. To the people them will run back at nasty Kris. Because them sure look how supposed wealth on social media. I want to feel now. I want to feel. Because enough people used to come on Paya and blame me. When we used to fight for my rights and used to blame me and say, Tina, she's just this and she's that. And she's broken, bothered, and bitter and this and that. Go focus on your craft, bitch. Go focus on your craft. I want to keep big shows and this and that. So how I want to feel now? How I want to feel? I want to feel. Remember? Oh, Tina Chin is a troublemaker, and she's so bitter, and she bad man, and she jealous of Donna Gal, and she jealous of Kris, and Kris buy fridge, so she go buy fridge, and Kris is doing travel vlogs, and she's doing. I want to feel now. I want to feel. Because when I realize, say, every dollar when me spend, it was not standby. And like I said, nothing wrong with standby. But when you're coming on the app flexing on people, at least spend your own damn money. Spend your own blood clot money, boy. Come talk to me blood clot nice. Spend your blood clot money. We spend our money. Because we work hard for it. So we play hard with it. Right? We're not out here keep up fraud and do all sort of things and you know what I mean? We work. We really work. Yeah? This is why I'm telling you, say, share my cake page. The boy even go as far as reporting my pages. Right now, my page is restricted because of Kris. Kris and Noel and him gang restrict my business page, them. Because here, what? Uncle them alone for win. Uncle them alone for eat. Uncle them alone for get views. Uncle them alone for this. Kris and Dana and the whole of them and Noel restrict my page. Because I am the one who they fear. I am the big problem to them. Me alone, this one girl on this earth is a big problem to them. Me. Me are the problem. Because life is so blood clot and fear. Them little dirty germs, yeah? When come see me on social media, I take care of my life. And I do my business. Somehow managed to demonize me. Demonize me now. Make me look like I'm me at the wrong part. Me wicked and me this and me that. Demonize me. So that Uno can follow them. And so that Uno can support them. And so that Uno can buy from them. And Uno not buy from me. And all me sit down here all them years there. I fight for my rights. Uno continue demonizing me. And so now beat me. So now beat me every year. Oh, our kitchen. Look on our kitchen. Look on our stove in our industrial kitchen. Look, one cake, empty boxes, flowers per cake, butter per pudding. Who is the bad mind one? Who is the bad mind one though? Who is the bad mind one now? Because if Kris, Ashanti, Dana, Sledgehammer, who is chocolate and vanilla, Sledgehammer, the big batty one where favor ants, she and the rest of them can come after me. What do you say now? Remember, I know. People kept asking me up until last week. People were asking me, why are they all saying the same things about you? Why are they all saying the same things about you? What? I hope to get an answer now. Want to get an answer now? To all of the people them where ask me, how is it that these people are saying this about you? Want to get an answer now? I hope to get an answer. Do you realize that they're all are? You don't want to realize that the one of them connected. You know, see the internet quiet from Kia come out. From Kia come out, not one of them come out and touch. Hey, me's a mad bomber blood clot gal right now. I mean, I apologize for nothing. Nobody can stop me now. Them couldn't stop me earlier. Them couldn't stop me before. And now them naga can't stop me. I know them naga can't stop me. Come on over to Rum Cake Club, guys. Anybody over Tina Chin pop-up cake shop, come on over to Rum Cake Club. I mean, I want nobody come over here and come talk about, why is she behaving like that? Go suck on the mama. Anybody will sit down and judge me, go suck on the mama. With a big S too. Judge me all on the want. Because of years on the sit down, I met them dirty people here tell one bag of lie for me. From Donna go all the way down, be a lie, all because them want getting on a pocket. Me a pinch them and say, don't give them on the money, don't give them on the money, them a fraud, them a criminal. Me not telling you say pants mouth a criminal. From a long time, me a telling you say, don't give him on the money. I know so no fun or fret right now because you don't know what on the name. You probably name rat shit. Rat ear. Right? You probably name rat shit, rat ear, rat this, cockroach wing, cockroach foot. All along, when you think me did bad mind, no. It's who I am. Me like put people, me's an advocate for a reason. Me come with that title for a reason. Not because me want to the money, but me I put it upon the guard.